Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's your girl Minami yet again with another bomb tutorial, but hopefully it's not going to bomb the camera or bomb anybody. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I do my everyday makeup, like makeup on a daily, something very light, soft, settle, a very casual look. And before I forget, if you're new to my channel, do also have a seat, grab some popcorn. You're very much welcome. Click down below on the subscribe button, turn on your notification bar, and join the Saucy Nation. So with all that said, let's jump right into this tutorial. Start, I'm going to be using these baby wipes to clean up my face and make sure my face is clean. Please, no one should get to me in the comment section. You can either use makeup wipes or baby wipes, but I prefer using baby wipes. So after that, I'm going in with my MAC Prep and Prime to moisturize my skin and get ready for this makeup look today. So as you all know, we're going to be doing an everyday makeup look, something very light, no eyeshadows actually, just something you can wear for work, a casual look and everything. And I went ahead to do my brows off camera. If you want to see how I do my brows, I have an updated brow tutorial on my channel. Do all to check it out. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, do all to subscribe. So I'm going over my eyelids with this melanin concealer. I'm going to blend that in with my beauty blender and apply some powder to set it. And I'm going to apply some eyeliner and some lashes, some false lashes. This is basically all for my eyes, because for my everyday makeup look I do no eyeshadow, very nude and glowy. I'm going in with this classic mattifying face primer all over my face to ensure that my makeup lasts long or stays matte and dry throughout the day. You could also use your makeup magnesia. Then I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 360. That's the foundation I use for my everyday look because it's matte and my face really gets oily throughout the day. This foundation is actually very good, especially for oily skin. The only problem is it doesn't have a pump, and so you have to find an object or a pencil or a brush to dip it in to try to get the product out of it. And like I said, if you've been watching my videos, you already know about this brush. This brush is live. It basically blends out the foundation to your skin tone and make it look so flawless. So I advise you, if you can get that brush, it'll be so good. Then I'm going over with my beauty blender to make sure that foundation sets to my skin and blend it even more. I made this part a little bit fast because I practically highlight in every video, and like I say, you highlight any area that you want to pop. So today I'm highlighting my T-zones with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I guess that's a shade I've been using for a while now. It perfectly blends with my foundation, so I use it, but you can use any other shade. There is one shade lighter than your skin color or the foundation shade you're using. Going in again with Master Beauty Blender, I'm going to blend that concealer to my foundation so that it has a flawless finish. Then I'm going in with this Avon loose powder to set my highlighted areas so that it doesn't crease or I have breakouts or anything. guys, how you all doing? Hope you all are doing great. I was asking, or I'm asking rather, can you guys suggest how would you like me to call my subscribers or my followers? Do you want me to call you guys loves like I always do, or extras? But of course I know we belong to the Saucy Nation, we're extra, but how, please can you guys just suggest how we can call each other or something? And after that, I don't usually bake, or I'm not a person who bakes much. So after applying that translucent powder, basically like 1 minute or some seconds after, I dust it off. So I'm going ahead to counter contour my nose. This, yeah, to contour my nose and counter contour, anyone you want to call it. I don't know if that's how it's even called. It helps your nose look slimmer. Anything that you contour makes it appear smaller, and if you highlight, makes it pop. So hope that helps. And I'm going in with this classic face definer palette. I'm going in with the bronzer there to highlight underneath my brows, that's my brow bone, and the bridge of my nose. Oh goodness, voiceovers are so difficult. And just one short crazy story, after I finished doing my makeup on this day, I actually went down the road to get something, and one guy stopped me and asked like, did you spray gold on your face? That's the craziest thing I've heard, apart from the fact that each time I do my bold colors or bright colors, people will be looking at me on the road like I drank a bottle of whiskey or I'm mad. But at the end of it, like I always tell you, fashion is very personal. It's what you want, what you like, what you feel comfortable in, and not what people see you comfortable in, because people will always have their opinions. But if you like it bold, go for bold. If you like it simple, go for simple. Don't go for something that people appreciate, but go for something that you like yourself in and you appreciate. So I got these two velvet matte Victoria's Secret lipsticks, and they are so good, and that's what I'm using for this look today. They're so nice, neutral, they're blending well, and they don't really dry up quick. They're just perfect. I'm going to go in with this gold shade to go in my inner tear ducts, just to give this look a little bit more sauce, because it's basically very cold, so just to give it more spice. So as I keep on saying, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Tell me what you want to see on my channel and everything. And guys, I almost forgot, thank you so much for the love you showed on the Inspitorial. God bless you. And I'm going to be bringing so loves, hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did so, do well to subscribe. And please, I noticed something. It's like some people subscribe, they subscribe literally for every video. You're not supposed to do that. You have to subscribe just once, and make sure you give a thumbs up for each video. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and tell me what you want to see next on my channel. And I'm loving my wig so much, and I did a wig myself, and I also do wigs for sale. So if you want me to do a wig for you, do also connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, or Snapchat, so that we can relate, now on a shaku shaku level. So with all that said, see you on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.